All right, thanks for tuning in with us again. And I'd like to take a moment to show you how we maintain the motorcycles. So we like to take the bikes on tour for anywhere from 2 days to 14 days across the state of Alaska. And as you can imagine, the state conditions are very hard on a motorcycle, so we can't just send it out for 2 weeks without any care or maintenance and expect it to return in good condition or uphold the standards of riding for our clients and our rental fleet. So this is kind of the magic toolbox, as I call it, and anytime we're on tour, this pack out is with me. And we have a few items that we like to keep in here. I can't rebuild an engine out of this box, maybe a vintage Honda engine, but definitely not one of these. I like to carry spare levers for the models of motorcycles that we offer. Cleaning and lubing a drive chain is something that needs to happen, at least checked at minimum, daily. We're typically cleaning them every day, lubing and adjusting them fairly regularly as needed. If a more extreme event occurs and a tire is needed to be replaced or a tube needs to be replaced, we do have the capability to do that while we're on the road. Fortunately for us, it's not really an occurrence and we don't have to deal with it, but we do have the capability to do that. Those are really your most common items. The other thing that we have to typically deal with, or at least address and monitor, is tire pressures. Typically, we let out air of the tires when we're going off-road, and we put a little bit of air back in when we're staying on-road. But you can't have an adventure bike, a newer model, and just run it into the ground across the state of Alaska for 2 days, 10 days, 14 days, and expect it to be the same for that time period without performing regular maintenance. So thanks for tuning in. We do want you to know that we are equipped, and this is part of the tour package and the experience that you receive when you book with us.